Go.
I want to welcome everybody to the Martin Chiropractic Clinic in Plano. I'm your Plano chiropractor, Dr. Mike Martin. Today we are in one of our treatment rooms here in the office where we do our chiropractic adjustments and manipulations on our patients in their treatment. Whether we're using the table for treating their back and hips and legs, or we're using the chair to adjust their neck and shoulders, or if we're adjusting their elbows and wrists when we do that standing, the purpose on all of those is the same: to improve the alignment and motion of the joints that are involved. There are four basic types of manipulation. The first one is called cavitating manipulation, cavitating adjustments. It's called cavitating because as the joint is moved, there are short, quick movements that cause the joint to separate or act like a hinge, and then oil and gas are pulled to the center of the space where the cavity is created. These are the adjustments that create the classic popping and cracking sounds that chiropractors are known for during their treatments. There are three other types, and all three of the other types do not involve any popping or cracking sounds. So if you prefer getting treated without cracks, those treatments are available. The first one of those is called low force adjustments. Low force adjustments also use small movements, but are done more slowly and with repetitive pressure, again, to improve the joint alignment and movement. The third category is called soft tissue manipulation. In soft tissue manipulation, there's treatments that are done directly on the muscles, ligaments, fascia, and other tissues in order to change how they work relative to the joint to improve its function. The last category is called mobilization. Mobilization involves bigger, slow movements that are done most of the time in a situation where a joint's very stiff. So in a shoulder that's stiff, you might be moving it kind of like this and gradually increasing. Those mobilization treatments are done more for motion than alignment, but you affect both in all times. So in Martin Chiropractic Clinic, we're able to use any of the four categories of adjustments on you, and we can tailor them to your specific need and your preference. So I'm Dr. Mike Martin, your Plano chiropractor, and I want to remind you to enjoy a happy, active lifestyle, stay healthy, and have some fun.